In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from KuCoin to another wallet. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. First, open up KuCoin application. Now with KuCoin open up, make sure you have an account. Now all you need to do is simply locate your USDT on KuCoin. Head to the asset menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the funding or trading account where USDT is stored. Once you find the USDT, click on the USDT and then click on the withdrawal option. Proceed to enter the wallet address, the network, and the minimum withdrawal would be studied. Now minimize and open your Trust Wallet, as Trust Wallet is the wallet we are going to be working with this video. So open up Trust Wallet. When Trust Wallet, what you need to open up is we are going to sending you a USDT in the network. So head back to your KuCoin, select the network of your choice. So let's go with the cheapest network, that is BNB Smart Chain. Then the minimum withdrawal is 3 USDT. So enter the 3 USDT and then proceed to add on address. So minimize and you can get your address from Trust Wallet. So to do this, all you need to do is simply search for the BNB Smart Chain and copy its address. Or you could simply search for USDT, simply select the USDT on the BNB Smart Chain as the USDT, click on this and receive copy of the address. And minimize, open up your KuCoin, paste the address, then click on the withdrawal and you successfully withdraw the amount in your Trust Wallet, and that's it, you're done.